Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Tristan Barracks here, the digital storyteller, and I am super excited to be with you once again. I'm actually just doing a quick impromptu shoot. I want to kind of practice my lighting a little bit, so I actually invited my wife, who is somewhere around here, to be my model. I'm going to be kind of working on a one light setup, and I really want to practice not just lighting any type of person, but really lighting people of color. So I'm going to show you some of my techniques or some of the things that I do to kind of do things like beauty shots and glamour shots, as well as doing, you know, really small one light setups where you can get some flattering light for any type of person, but specifically because I'm a creative of color, I'm a black guy, I really like lighting black people and making sure that they look their best as well. So I'll show you a few things, and hopefully you can grab something out of this quick tutorial. Okay, so check this out. All right, so I'm just gonna get my wife Natanya to sit down here. I have babe, if you don't mind just sitting down here for a minute. Isn't she beautiful? She's so beautiful. Just have a seat right here. And I'm going to use this bounce here. This bounce is just going to be a way for the light, which I have over here. I have an umbrella. I'll bring this down really, really quickly. The Winstro 8600 BM by Godox. And I've had this light now for a while now. And I just have this smaller sort of umbrella. I really want to get a diffused type of lighting. I like very diffused natural light, but with that I have to also push the lighting or the light itself. So I'm going to be probably around, I would say, 4.5 over, or 1/4 or 1/8, somewhere around there, because of the diffusion. I want to actually fill not only just the subject, but I want it to be able, the light to be able to have enough energy to bounce off of this nice gold bounce into fill her shadows and to give her kind of more of a glamorous look. I have an A7 Mark III and I have the 85, and I'm gonna just get to work and see what happens. Actually, wait, can you do me a favor, babe? I'm gonna actually push you back a bit. I have this light, I have this background light, which I'm gonna show you if you want to add some extra dynamics, but right now I'm just going to use a one light system. You can have a seat right here. I'm going to be seated right in front of her, and I'm actually going to hold this gold area here. You're just going to bring it down just slightly lower, just a little bit lower, yeah, about here, a little bit more. There you go, perfect, right? And then what I want you to do is, I want you to kind of like, yeah, just give me we're just gonna do a little tester shot, right? It's always important to have a tester shot. Let me just adjust this a little bit so we can see the whole setup. It's always good to do a tester shot. So right now I am at F5, and my shutter speed is 1/400, and I am at ISO 100. So I'm just gonna take a tester shot and see what's good here, see what we got here. Look, this beautiful young lady. Perfect. Okay, it's looking pretty good right now. We're getting some really good dynamics. You can see we're just getting this, it's just a starter shot here. So what I'm gonna need you to do is, I'm gonna need you to bring this down just slightly. Perfect. And then what I want you to do is, if you can lean forward a bit. Yeah, you can let go of, you can let go of it. You can let go of it. We'll put it right here. Perfect. You can let go of it and just kind of lean in, and you can, like, just with one hand. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Stay right there. Love that. Stay right there. Love that energy. Nice. Nice smile. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Love it. All right. What I want you to do is, I want you to take both hands and I want you to kind of just fold them in front of you. Perfect. Just like that. You know, relax a little bit. Perfect. No. Up a little bit. It's okay. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Turn yourself a little bit more this way. Perfect. Turn your head this way. Chin forward a bit. No, just down a bit. Perfect. You always got to be communicating and encouraging your subject, especially if they're not a professional model. It's really important to affirm what they're doing is right, and if they're not doing something right, it's okay. You can just tweak it. It's not a big deal. Beautiful. Yes, nice. Love it. I'm just gonna adjust my f-stop to F4. Nice. It's looking beautiful. You can put down your hands there. Perfect. Do you want to stand up for a minute? Okay, so let's stand up. So just turn yourself this way. Perfect. Yeah, nice. Stay right there. A little bit more. Perfect. Turn your head this way, perfect. And just take one of your hands and just almost just rest it on your cheek. Just, yeah, there you go. Yes, like how you got me before when we were dating. Perfect, love it. So we have the bounce right here. There we go. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna kind of hack it a little bit. I'm gonna move my table over and take off some of these other pieces of gear. There you go. Can you step over just one step to the right? There you go. Nice. Now I want you to point yourself this direction. Point your whole body this direction, and I just want you to turn your head this direction. Perfect. You put your hand on your hip, add a little bit of your curves, accentuate your curves. So I'm stepping back a bit because I want to get more of a medium shot. Just straighten up your head a little bit, please, for me. Perfect. There you go. Nice smile. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Lean forward a bit. Just want to, so when you're asking people to lean forward is because it makes their face look a little bit slimmer, it's a little bit more flattering, that sort of thing. Can you actually have a seat for a minute? I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Have a seat, have a seat. Oh, just chin up a bit. There you go, look right at me. Nice smile, yeah, perfect. Love it. Beautiful. I'm gonna pump this up to 1/4 for my lights, just because I wanna get a little bit more push on here. I might even bring this in more and move this chair. Look right at me, nice smile, beautiful. Beautiful, nice. Love it. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go wide open. I'm just gonna go to F. I'll do like a 2.8. I wanna kind of have her face kind of totally going right into this soft sort of smooth, buttery bokeh. Right, a little bit more. Perfect, yeah, lean forward. Chin up a bit. There you go, nice smile. There you go. Beautiful. Love it. Stay right there, stay right there. I'm gonna throw in the background light. I'll show you what the background light will look like with this sort of setup. You have to do a little bit of adjustments in terms of your shutter speed, as well as your f-stop and things of that nature, but it'll just give another dynamic to it. And then we're gonna jump into another one light setup, but I'm actually going to move the light to the side. So, Nats, if you don't mind just turning yourself this way, just turn yourself physically this way so your toes are pointing this way. Perfect, right? Chin up a bit, forward, leaning forward a bit. Perfect, you can leave this on here, it's fine. Yep, and just lean forward for me. Almost like you're about to kiss you. Perfect, there, stay right there. Nice smile, straighten up your head a little bit. So still keep your head, so your body's turned this way. You're turning your head this way towards me, perfect. Forward a bit, lean forward, lean more. There you go, there you go, there we got the dynamics. Straighten your head a bit, there you go. Lean forward a little bit more. Nice, beautiful, nice. Look up at me. Perfect. Turn your head this way. Perfect. Nice. Ooh, look at those beautiful eyes. I'm telling you, this gold on black people looks fantastic. Turn your head even more. There you go. Straighten up your head this way. Perfect. Nice. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Nice.